I'm just going to explain a little bit of things for your scars, okay? So we're looking over here, we have a lot of ice pick scars for this patient. They did already actually shrink just a little bit. We did a couple treatments for her in the past. We worked on her oil production with the Cure laser. We also did do TCA cross and erbium laser in the past. We're gonna do some more TCA cross, but for now, we noticed that there's a lot of volume loss really from the scars. You can see in this area right here where the scars are really densely compact. They're actually very, very deep. They destroyed some of the fat underneath there. So we're gonna place some volume right over here with something called Bellafill, which is a nice product because it'll always support the scar tissue. So I'm gonna place that right over here, and then I'll place it in some of these remaining indentations over here as well. So I'm first gonna do some Bellafill for structure and support in this area. I'm gonna have it like this. We're building out the area that got destroyed from the scars. And I'll do a little support some of these scar spots right here. I'm going to go directly underneath the scar there to do that. You doing okay?
Yeah.
Okay. And just make sure it's really smooth and integrated with the skin. It's gonna look and feel just like real skin when it heals, which is really nice because you could always have some support over here. But I always try to focus on the patient's natural anatomy and just really making sure that what we're trying to do is just restore what was lost. Partly from aging, but a lot of it's actually just from the scar tissue. And what I'm doing now is just blending it in so it looks really natural and cohesive here. And just hold pressure there again.
A lot of people say that they have trouble finding a provider that works with Bellafill. Is that pretty common around the United States, or?
Yeah, there's very, very few people that are comfortable with Bellafill. A lot of people just weren't trained in it. They also just do hyaluronic acid filler really different. A lot of them do it too superficial, and they can run into problems with it. And they've kind of gotten used to this belief that they could just dissolve if they run into problems. Whereas I know that if you're using products that are too superficial, it could look really unnatural. So I made sure that I could just really make sure that I had really good habits when I was injecting. And you can see right now, it looks really nice and cohesive here. Another thing is that lighting plays a big role in this too. We have to always make sure that we're very precise when we do this. So that's what I always make sure. And you can see what I'm doing is I'm building out that pocket of fat that was lost, and then I'm making sure that it just looks like it's all blended in really naturally here. The patient already has really high cheekbones, so I'm really just only focused on the areas that or lost, especially due to scarring. A little bit more volume loss right here. So I'm gonna improve that. And you can see the way I'm doing Bellafill is very different than the way a lot of other people do it too. I actually go deeper than a lot of people do. It's on purpose. I'm trying to stimulate collagen at a deeper level and do it in multiple different layers. Almost done. Looks really good. Really good. When are we doing the laser then?
When can we schedule it? 2 months, I think.
Oh, okay. Okay, perfect. But just use that cream then, okay? Looks really good, really nice. You want to see it? I can show it to you. You can see what it looks like. And what's nice is that the scars will get better too over time too with us.
Oh yeah, I can see it.
Yeah, it's really nice, right? Mm-hmm. Thank you. We'll see you in a couple months then.
Yeah.
We'll see you there.